Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix MSI Afterburner not detecting your GPU. First, if you play Valorant, Riot Vanguard may be causing the issue. Vanguard can interfere with MSI Afterburner and prevent it from communicating with your GPU. To test this, find the Vanguard icon in the Windows System tray, right-click it, and select Exit Vanguard. After that, restart MSI Afterburner and check if your graphics card appears. For a more permanent solution, open MSI Afterburner and click Settings. Under the General tab, uncheck Enable Low-Level I/O Driver. Click Apply and restart the application. This setting often resolves conflicts with Vanguard. If you're using a laptop with both integrated and dedicated graphics, MSI Afterburner may only detect the integrated GPU. Launch a game or another GPU-intensive program before opening MSI Afterburner. Once the dedicated GPU becomes active, open Afterburner, go to Settings and then General, and use the Master Processor or Device Selection menu to manually select your dedicated graphics card. Another possible cause is a corrupted or outdated graphics driver. Visit the official NVIDIA or AMD driver website and download the latest driver available for your GPU. Install it, restart your computer, and check MSI Afterburner again. If the issue still isn't fixed, reinstall MSI Afterburner. Uninstall the program completely, then download the latest version from the official MSI Afterburner website and perform a clean installation. Thanks for watching.